Hello everyone, today I will show you a simple program in Small Basic. This is a program about files, which this first line right here creates a directory which I named it students, because all of these are student names. You can put whatever words you want in there. The second one is it's about copying a file that I've already made from the place that it is in the students directory. So yeah, in this other thing, file dot write line writes the name right here or the word, and right now this file is in local disk, and the name of the file is this, and these are the lines. So this whole thing will write these names, which you can put words in. We'll write them in the file. So this last one right here allows to read the one of the lines in the file. So right now it's line 1, which will read this name, and this one at the end, text window dot write line result is, and then 2 dots, and it will show the word. So if you go ahead and run this, you'll see this name right here, which is at the first one. But if we change this one to 3 or some of the others, this will show the other name. So yeah, I hope this helped you with this small basic program, and yeah, goodbye.